Okay, the easiest way to do this problem is by calculator, so I decided to bring my little virtual TI here. The question says, write an exponential function of the form y equals ab to the x, whose graph passes through the given points 0, 5, and 115. In Algebra 1, you learned how to use the stat edit button, and that's what we'll be using here to get the equation. So what you're going to do is create in your calculator the L1, L2 chart. The 0, 5 goes in first, and the 115 will go second. So in your calculator, you'll press Stat, and you'll see you have different choices of Edit, Calc, and Test. You're going to choose Edit. If you have values in your calculator already, just go up and press Clear, Enter. Never press Delete, press Clear, Enter, because if you press Delete, you're going to wind up deleting the entire column. So I'm going to put 0 and 1 in my L1 and 5 and 15 in my L2. So that represents both of the points. Next thing I'm going to do is go to Stat, go to the right using my right button to Calc, and then you're going to go down until you see XReg. That means exponential regression, and that will give us the equation. So press Enter, and once this shows up, press Enter again, and it gives you all of the values. Do not worry about the R2 and the R squared and the R1. That is not part of your equation. If that shows up in your calculator, you only have to worry about the A and the B. So now when you write your equation, the A is going to go in for 5 is going to go in for A, and 3 is going to go in for B. So we found out that A was equal to 5 and B was equal to 3. So it'll be 5, that's 5, times B to the X. And I think it's just a lot easier to use parentheses, but you can also write it like this. It'll be the same thing. Just make sure that you do not multiply the 5 and the 3, because the 3 is linked to this X as an exponent, so you cannot multiply these two together. They must remain separate.